Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm stooped over my table right now because I didn't plan on getting on here. I was just going to show you what I was doing, but I wanted to talk to you for a minute. So if you're new here, welcome. My name is Kristi. I'm currently following the WW Blue program, but on my channel I provide points for all three programs and I also share calories as well. I'd love to have you as part of the family. In today's video, I'm doing a little bit of experimenting. I've done a breakfast banana split before. I've never put it on my channel, so I'm going to share that with you. But then I thought about doing a dessert banana split as well. So I'm going to be just kind of putting some different things together. I don't quite have the calories or points, so I'll have to figure that out as we go. So what I'm going to be using for my little boat trays are these corn on the cob holders. These are going to be perfect for them. And for my breakfast ones, I'm going to be using some yogurt. So I have these protein yogurts that I get from Aldi. And for these ones, they're 2 points or 100 calories. And then I also have this one. This is the Dan & Lighten Fit Greek Strawberry Cheesecake Yogurt. This is my favorite. This is the one I wanted to use. Unfortunately, it's out of date. It's expired, so I get to throw this away. I hate throwing food away. So this one is 2 points and this one is only 80 calories. So if you use this one then in your calorie counter, then you save 20 calories. So for today, I'm going to use this one. So I have my bananas. I also have some fruit here for the breakfast one. And for the dessert one, I've got some pudding, some PB2, some Reddi Wip, and some Lily's chocolate chips. So let's get started and put this together. All right, so all you're going to do is peel your banana. So question, how do you peel your banana? Let me know in the comments. Do you peel it from this end or do you peel it from this end? Because it's easier to peel it from this end. You just give it a squeeze and it opens. So sometimes when you open it this way, it kind of squishes. So this way is a lot easier. I actually just learned that a few years back. All right, so we're gonna get this opened up. And now what you want to do is just cut it right down the middle and open it up. I'm going to separate it just a little bit just so that you can actually see the banana on the side of it. Now I'm going to take my protein yogurt and I'm just going to put that yogurt right in the middle. And I don't know if I'm going to use all of it or not. Oh yeah. I'll use all of it. And the next thing I'm going to do is just grab some of my fruit here. So I have some strawberries, some blackberries. I also have an apple here. So I thought about cutting up the apple and putting that in there, but I think I'm just going to do the blackberries and the strawberries. These are pretty big blackberries, so I'm just going to cut them up just a little bit. We can put a few on top and then around the sides. And just cut up some strawberries. Throw those up on the top. And then just tuck some down in the sides. And that is it. So that's it for the breakfast one. Breakfast banana split. So now the points on this one are just 2 points for all programs because the only thing you have to count is the yogurt. So now for the calories, this is a pretty large banana. So I'm going to say 120 calorie banana. And then for the yogurt is 100. So that's 220. And then for the berries, probably like 50 calories. So if you're a calorie counter, just make sure to plug it into whatever tracker you use. So I'm going to estimate for calories. This is probably maybe around 270 calories, something like that. Because like I said, that is a large banana. So that is the breakfast one. All right, next up is the dessert one. So for this one, you can do a lot of different things with this. And the calories and points could get up there depending what you put in it. So again, first thing we want to do is cut the banana. Now I'm going to take my sugar-free pudding. This is 2 points or 70 calories. The next thing I'm going to do is take some PB2 And I'm gonna mix in some PB2 in with the pudding. You could just leave it dry and sprinkle it over the top if you prefer, but I think I'm gonna mix it in. You can have 2 tablespoons of this for 1 point. I'm gonna see, I might just do 1 tablespoon. So 2 tablespoons is 13 grams. Yeah, I'm just gonna do 1 tablespoon. And then just mix that in there real good. And if it doesn't get mixed all the way, that's fine. Then we're gonna do the same thing, just add that to the middle of the banana. So if you don't want to take a point for the PB2, you definitely can leave that out. Again, you can just do all sorts of things. Just come up with your own, whatever you like to put on it, feel free. Now, just because I didn't quite get all of that in there, some of it fell off, I'm just gonna kind of sprinkle a little more on there. All right, the next thing I'm gonna do is add some Reddi Wip. This is fat-free Reddi Wip. For this kind, you can have 4 tablespoons for 0 points. So that's what I'm gonna use. And if you're counting calories, it will be 10 calories for the 4 tablespoons. So I'm gonna put it on my scale again, and I'm just gonna weigh this out. I think that'll be the easiest way to do it. So 2 tablespoons is 5 grams, so I'm gonna do 10 grams. Okay, there is 10. And I'm also gonna be putting some Lily's chocolate chips. For this kind, you can have 20 chocolate chips for 1 point. And if you're counting calories, it's for 30 chips is 50 calories. So I'm gonna just be using 20. So if you're counting calories, you're talking maybe about 35 calories. That was a good guess, that was 20. Now the other thing you could do, if you wanted to even put more chocolate, you could drizzle some of this on there. I'm not going to, just because this is really high in points and calories. So to me, I have enough chocolate on there. So the way this is right now on points, 0 points for the banana, 2 points for the pudding, 1 point for the PB2, 0 for the Reddi Wip, and 1 point for the chocolate chips. So we have 4 points if you are counting points. And if you're counting calories, for my estimations, it's right about 260 calories. So that is the dessert one. So there you go. 2 very simple, very easy banana splits. So I hope you liked this video. If you did, make sure to give it a thumbs up. Thank you all so much for watching. If you're new, I hope you'll subscribe. I'll talk to you in my next video. I'm Kristi, and I'm planning us healthy.